Now, here is an interesting problem. This thing almost burned down the house. There was no cut on the cable, there was no bend on the cable, but as I left it alone for a couple of minutes, it burned out. There was smell of smoke, something burning, burning plastic smell inside the room. And I was curious where it came from. Turns out this was the culprit. I didn't expect this to short circuit like this. It didn't exactly short it. It more like melted through the plastic. And this plastic is kind of old. I believe it's made in the 1950s or something. So what we're gonna do for now, which I guess would make for a temporary fix, would be to cut the cable and set up a whole new thing. Like that. Also do the same thing for this one. This would be easier if I have a plier a special plier, one of those special pliers to remove cut out the tip of the cables. Anyway, there we go. We're open. And for this part, we're going to unscrew the head first. And remove the plug from the cover. And then we're going to remove the entire cable assembly here. Well, not the assembly, just remove the cable from the assembly. Like so. Alright, now that they're out, pull it out. Now this is a historic cable that'll go to the museum. Now, before you begin, don't forget to slide in the cover first, right in through like that. That way, when you assemble the whole plug assembly, the cover would be already inside, and then you can just slide it in. Now we can just plug in the tip like that, just the tip. Tighten the screws. Same with the other one. Just the tip. And then tighten the screws. Make sure they are both tight. Tightly screwed in like so. Now, next we'll put in the holder assembly. We can just screw it in like that. Now, before you tighten it, make sure you also screw in the other one, and I usually switch back and forth between them as I tighten them in bit by bit. This way they both would slide in parallel to the whole bottom assembly, making sure that the whole thing is tightened down. Then we can just slide in the cover, make sure the copper bit slides in there, on both sides like that. Don't forget, on some models, there's a wee bit of this wedge here to make sure that you don't screw it in the wrong direction, because as you can see, there's a screw on the side and it has to go in to this hole right there. Therefore, you can only slide it in the correct orientation. All we got to do next is just screw in the tip, tighten it up, making sure that the whole thing is going to stay assembled for good. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.